In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through how to download Indrive app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. But then I'm gonna be using my Android device. So if you're using an iPhone or Android, you can actually head up to your Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and you can click on the search bar right here and type in Indrive. Then you're gonna see Indriver app. So just click on search, then it's gonna suggest the app for you, as you can see right there. So the first one is a ads, so you just click on any of it. So you can see Indrive ride and delivery, so you just click on install. Then the app will be download and install on your mobile device. So I'm gonna wait for this to download. You can see I just download the app and it's currently installed on my device.